What I don't think the common person understands is that the firefighter turnout gear or the clothes that an electrician is wearing has to go through rigorous testing. And we're the people behind the scenes that help with manufacturers understanding those standards, why they perform the way that they do, so that families can have their loved ones come home at night knowing that they were protected by the clothing. My name is Susie DeBain. I work at Arcware, a division of Connectrix, which is part of BWXT. I am a junior project manager and a quality specialist here at Arcware. We do primarily textile testing for the PPE market, specifically FR, so flame resistance, and ARC-rated apparel. We do head-to-toe testing, helmets, gloves, down to the boots, and what you're wearing.
So the work we do here is all performed with the end goal of keeping the workers safe and hopefully a little comfortable too. Our primary goal is to send people home to their families at the end of the day that have important jobs that support our infrastructure and help in emergency service situations. So it's really interesting to us. We're all fascinated by the technical textiles involved. We are an independent third-party laboratory, so we are not producing anything. We're only testing and inspecting these items and working on the research and development side with the makers of these items to help understand what the users want, how they perform in a test lab scenario, and considering real life as we also participate in the technical committees. We ultimately want them to wear the products. So if they have a jacket that protects them and a pair of pants, but their hands are exposed, they are not fully protected in the hazard, and we want to see them covered from head to toe. So we have added on our services to be able to offer testing and conformity assessment from these head to toe products, from helmets, boots, gloves, shirts, pants, and maybe some of the accessories that fall in between as well.
What I really love about the University of Kentucky's program is that it gives you the option to go through and do buying and merchandising, and you really just need to be curious about all of the other opportunities that you can find, and it is there for you. It's absolutely there. So I think it does prepare you very well.
My advice as an alum would be to explore a lot of different pathways, speak to your teachers at the University of Kentucky, because many of them as individuals have diverse backgrounds in the industry as far as their education, because there are so many careers and pathways that they could take that they may not know about right now. There's the technical textile side, so maybe there are fashion folks that don't realize maybe they're actually more interested in developing textiles, and the thought of something like this and the folks we work with solving real-world applications is exciting to them. You know, there's lots of different fields, and then of course we're in the testing segment as well. That's exciting. So I would encourage them to speak with their teachers, explore internship opportunities, try to get a good feel for what's out there for you, because there's more to the program than just the title of it, right? It extends far deeper.